Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your user experience with user testing, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on the user testing platform. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features. Next, define the goals of your user testing. Identify the specific aspects of your product or service you want to evaluate. Create a testing plan that outlines these goals clearly. Then, select your target audience. User testing allows you to choose participants based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences. After that, design your test scenarios. Make sure your scenarios are straightforward and relevant to your goals. Upload any necessary materials, such as prototypes or website links. Once your test is ready, schedule the sessions. User testing will recruit participants based on your selected criteria. During the testing phase, observe the users as they complete the tasks. Take notes about their behaviors, feedback, and areas of difficulty. After the tests, analyze the recordings and takeaways. Look for patterns in user behavior and common pain points. Create a report summarizing your findings. Include both qualitative and quantitative data for a comprehensive evaluation. Share the report with your team and relevant stakeholders. Discuss the insights and prioritize areas for improvement. Implement any necessary changes to enhance user experience. Finally, consider running follow-up tests to measure the impact of these changes. Regular testing ensures that your user experience continually meets user needs. By following these steps, you can effectively secure and improve your user experience using user testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel